Artificial intelligence has already become part of our daily life. Today, AI development is mostly driven by large private companies in the global north. However, governments and small companies in Africa and Asia increasingly embrace AI to tackle local challenges of social and economic inequality and to achieve a just transition in pressing matters such as climate change and similar issues. One example is the Mbaza chatbot. Developed by Rwandan AI startup Digital Umuganda, the Rwandan government deployed the tool to combat COVID-19. The chatbot provides up-to-date statistics and news on the pandemic, not only in English and French, but also more importantly in Rwanda's local language, Kinyarwanda. By now, the chatbot has answered over 14 million COVID-related questions from over 2.2 million unique users.
Information and service access was very limited by barriers that exist, including illiteracy or access to internet. When the pandemic hit, we worked on a chatbot project in which we said, okay, information is not being accessed because it's mainly delivered through internet-enabled streams or channels like Twitter or others.
We came to a place where we thought that we needed to avail information to each and every citizen. We thought of mobile phones, and we have like 7 million or maybe more than that of subscribers to telecommunication companies. So we thought if we can use that channel to avail information to the public, that would be very useful.
Often, access to such digital tools is limited to people who speak one of the main languages of the global north. The initiative of German Development Cooperation and Fair Forward, Artificial Intelligence for All, works with local and global partners such as Digital Umuganda and the Mozilla Foundation to change that. Mbaza chatbot was developed locally and runs on local language data. The data is made openly and freely available. This way, it becomes a valuable resource that empowers local AI developers to build more applications for future use cases.
So let's say we have the Benin implementing a chatbot for customer services and everything. That also reduces the number of people waiting in lines for getting a certain service or getting some information or creating a bank account in it.
For this, digital public goods such as open applications and local training data are critical. They enable local and responsible AI innovation in the global south. This way, digital transformation can help to fight inequality, promote a just transition, and contribute to sustainable development.
So I strongly believe that Mbaza chatbot or any other artificial intelligence tool can be useful. It can be applied to malaria fighting, it can be applied to HIV.
Artificial intelligence is there to simplify the work done by different people in different communities, in different kind of agriculture, finance, business, and everything. So artificial intelligence would help reduce that workload that a single person would have to do and do it in a shorter amount of time.
Speech-to-text data, the speech-to-text model, the text-to-speech data as well as text-to-speech model, all this now is in the open source. And this gives a lot to everybody who wants to work on Kinyarwanda or work on African languages, because now they have an infrastructure to start on, and the fruits of these will be seen with byproducts and innovations on the continent in a few months or years to come.